Hey guys, Tionna and Nyree here. Today I want to talk about fear, how it holds you back from your goals, and how it can motivate you. So, fear is something that can be a negative or a positive, depending on what you choose to do when you come across fear. Some people choose to face their fears, other people choose to run in the whole opposite direction of their fears, and some people just stand still. They don't do anything, which is just as bad as running in the whole opposite direction. Because if you're not doing anything to turn those fears into motivation and use them to give you the fire and the drive that you need to pursue your goals, then you might as well be doing nothing or going in the total wrong direction. Because realistically, what's going to happen is if you don't put your goals, your desires, your dreams into motion, you will never become what it is that you want to become. You will never have whatever it is that you want to have. You will never do whatever it is that you want to do. And ultimately, you're just here. You're not even being. You're just existing. And you're not even being. You're not meeting your potential. You're not being or doing what it is you were called to be or do. And a lot of times people are suffering through things. They don't even realize that they're suffering through it because they've just decided that they would just settle. They were satisfied with where their life is. They're not going to push. They're not going to drive. And you don't realize a lot of times individuals, I know I have been in a place, I've been so depressed that I just became happy, or not happy. I was never happy with it. I was content with just being and not pursuing, and just whatever happened in life, whatever came my way, whatever crossed my path, I was just like, okay, well, it is what it is. But we are in control of our own destinies. And not until you actually decide to take control of your future, your destiny, and face your fears, the things that you fear the most are the things that you need to enter into the most, the things that you need to partake in the most, because those are the things that come to make you stronger. Those are the things that come to build you, to lead you, to guide you, and direct you into your full potential, into who and what you need to be. So don't run from fear. I encourage everybody watching this video today to actually run towards your fears. Let that fear motivate you. Let that fear teach you what it is you need to learn from every lesson that you are experiencing right now. If you have things right now that you know that you should be doing, but you put it on hold because of whatever thoughts come into your mind that cause you to have fear about doing them, I say do it anyway. Do it anyway. You have all the tools that you need to do whatever that thing is. So whatever it is that you've been wanting to do, everything that you've been needing to do, everything that you've said you were going to do and have not done, whatever it is that's holding you back, I guarantee you it all comes down to a fear. It is a fear, and it's a thought of fear. And you have the power to unlock that. You have the power to unlock that fear and unlock that potential. And I want you to promise yourself today that you are going to tap into it. And you are going to face that fear. You're going to use that fear as motivation to reach your full potential. All right. So I just wanted to do a quick video and put that message out there today, because I have been in that very same place. And I know exactly what it feels like. And you become so bound that you begin to believe that you're just content with where you are. But you know realistically that you're not content, because you have doubts. You have thoughts in your mind of how you failed yourself, you failed your timelines of when you should have done something, could have done something, should have done something. You stay in situations that you shouldn't be in, that you should have been out of a long time ago because of fear. So let that same fear that holds you and keeps you bound be the thing that motivates you and sets you free. All right, Tionna and Nyree here, financially free. Thanks for watching. I ask that you like this video, You know, hit the little thumbs up down there. Also, please subscribe to this channel. Right now I don't have as many subscribers as I'd like. This is a new channel, and my goal is to get to, my first goal is to hit 100 subscribers. So please, if you watch this video, subscribe to the channel. Just hit that little arrow that says subscribe and hit the bell that says notifications. All right, Tionna Nyree signing off.